Hey yo, it's Lyric. Figure I dropped another hot mixtape track for anybody out there who listens to me. For the money, money, money. I love money, I'm like swimming in green. You see me standing up collecting like a vending machine. You can't change me, you can't play me, I play the game. Stay G'd before you start tripping out like you're smoking laced weed. I could never give up, nah man, I just live it up. So I'm living enough, that's why I'm not giving a fuck. Now you can back it up, considering you're acting up. Don't think I won't smack you up if you start acting tough like a Mac 10. Boy, you're acting quite foolish in this game. I'm a teacher because I school it. You can't stop me on the hip-hop beat. I'm cocky, fight me just like Rocky. All these boys trying to jock me, but I do it for the money. They just dummies, and it's funny cause you seen the shit coming since my voice started saying shit. I know it, motherfuckers, and I ain't spraying shit. I just wanna make sure that they ain't saying shit. They don't know who they playing with. Honestly, I'll fucking bomb this beat constantly till you're on your knees with an apology. And following after that, you won't bother me and offering me friendship. But I don't want not a thing, because I ain't softening. I wanna see what your profit brings. I am the prophet, and I can do a lot of things. Just hand me the beat and I'll stampede it. My hands will be moving so fast that y'all can't read it. What? Hey yo, that's just something that I wrote in a day and recorded in a day. You know what I'm saying? Just keep your ears tuned in and be on the lookout for some more mixtapes. They're gonna be coming at you real fast this year and this summer. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some good hits. Peace.